So we have a net force of 8 newtons is acting on an object of 18 kg, lasts for 1 minute. So 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. So we want to find the impulse due to the net force, and if the final velocity of the object is 60 meter per second, we need to calculate the initial velocity of the object. So impulse we can represent by symbol J. The initial velocity we can always represent by symbol U. So if we refer to the list of selected formula and also the concept we learned in topic 3, so we can relate the impulse with the force acting and also the time interval. So we have equation 6, impulse is F delta T. So we have impulse equal to F delta T. So I can calculate the impulse. I will take the force 8 Newton. The time interval for the force to acting on the object is 60 seconds. So I'll get the impulse will be 480 Newton second. Okay, then we move on to the second question. If the final velocity of the object is 60 meter per second due to the force that act on the object, so we want to calculate the initial velocity of the object. So the change of the velocity can relate with impulse, whereby according to the impulse momentum theorem, impulse is the change of momentum, whereby the change of momentum will be the final momentum mv minus initial momentum mu. So the v refer to the final velocity, u is referred to the initial velocity. So we already calculate the impulse. The impulse is 480. So the mass of the object is 18. So the final velocity is given in the question, 60 meter per second. So minus mass 18 u. So we can calculate the initial velocity of the object. So you may pause the video to do the calculations. So if we do the calculation correctly, we will obtain the initial velocity of the object will be 33.33. The unit will be meter per second.